Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello and welcome everyone. This is Dipanshu from IM Skills, your program coordinator. And I welcome each one of you to our data analytics orientation program. So today we'll be talking about guys related to this data analytics industry, where you all can have a deep understanding about that how this particular industry is gonna work and how each one of you is going to take maximum advantage during this session, as well as how IM skills going to help you to learn a better skills in data analytics, right? So today we have a like experienced data analytics with data analyst with us, and his name is Jatin. And let's welcome Jatin for this particular session. He will be helping you out, guys, to understand this particular industry, as Jatin is already working with numerous years already into data analytics industry and helping various businesses to perform with the help of data analytics. So Jatin, over to you. Please help the student to learn about this particular industry and help them comfortable with data analytics.
Thank you, Dipanshu. Good evening, everyone. We'll be going through a little bit of detail about this course, why you should choose go ahead with IM skills, and then Dipanshu will take you along the USP of what we offer. And along the way, we'll also take up your questions and your doubts if you have pertaining to the course or to any other query you have, and we'll take up same during the discussion. So let me just quickly share my screen and start with the presentation. So data analytics master course that we at IM Skills are offering is a data analytics course that has been designed to specifically attain and specifically fulfill the purpose of training a student or a personnel in the field of data analytics. And once he pass out from this course, it would be equivalent to he be doing a master's course in data analytics. And it's not just even if you're not from a data analytics background, this course is still suited for those type of individuals. So before I talk more about the course, I would just want to briefly discuss about IM Skills and what we are and what we do. So IM Skills, we are one of the leading online education service institutions. We are headquartered in New Delhi, and we have presence in 23 cities in Asia, including Dubai and Singapore. Um, we offer multiple courses across different streams like finance, digital marketing, operations, and data analytics is one of our course offerings. So the question arises why you take up this course with IM Skills. First of all, we at IM Skills deliver an interactive live training. The experience that you'll have in the class will not be that of a recorded video or a recorded session of the professor, but it would be a live class where there will be a two-way communication between the students and the teachers. And this will ensure, this will give you a feeling of almost that you're sitting in a traditional classroom. So we at IM Skills try to simulate that experience of classroom learning via online education. So that is one USP that you'll get through IM Skills. Second, which I think is the most important one, is end-to-end placement support. So once you're done with the course and the internship project, we'll be helping you out with the placements. We'll helping you out in getting job placements. And this will also include resume building, preparing for interview questions, applying for those jobs, and we'll ensure that you get at maximum exposure to various job opportunities and uh, the placement support in form of resumes and interview questions. Apart from that, we have a alumni access portal So even if you pass out of the course, you get into a job, and 3 years or 4 years down the line, you want to change your job, with the access to this alumni portal, you are open up to various opportunities which there might be in some other alumni companies, and that is how you come into link of those alumni. They may refer you, or they may give direct references, or they may even help you arrange for interviews. So with this alumni portal access, we are giving you a lifetime career opportunity. It's not just that once you complete the course and placements are done, but with this alumni portal access, you have a career opportunity for lifetime. Anytime in your point of career, you want to change a job, you can put it on the portal that you're looking for a job. There might be some openings, or some might give you some reference. And this might also help you get a job even after 5 years after passing out of the course. So this is one major important USP that we have at IIM Skills. Another is the lifetime access of whatever learning material you will get during the course. Whatever session recordings, the study materials, the ebooks, everything would be available on Learning Management System, that is your LMS portal, and you will have a lifetime access to that portal. So it's not that you complete the course and then you do not have access to those notes or whatever. You will have a lifetime access. So even if 2 years or 3 years down the line, you're stuck for some topic, you're stuck there, and you want to revisit the theory for that, you can always log into your LMS and have them checked out. So this is another USP that IIM Skills provides you with. Then we offer direct mentorship. We ensure that it is just not a teaching-student relationship. We, as tutors, try to mentor the students. We will not only teach you about topics, we will try to discuss your problems, your queries, we'll try to troubleshoot your problems, and we'll also help you with your project. So there are a lot of students, they always connect through email, and they have some personal doubts in their own individual projects in their respective companies, and they come to us with that questions, and if we help them wherever possible. So it is not a student-teacher relationship, but we act as a mentor to the students of this course, so that even if they have some questions regarding which job to take, or what kind of job to take up, or they have some queries regarding the projects they're doing for their respective companies, they can always drop an email to us or the other tutors, and we are very happy to help them with that. So this is a direct mentorship that we offer rather than just a teaching and learning situation. So moving to the data analytics master course. The master course that we are offering in data analytics, it is a 6 months course plus a 2 months of internship project. And we will be covering around 6 different tools, which will be covering different aspects of data analytics, which we will discuss. Our master's certificate is recognized globally because we are a government-approved educational institution. So our master's certificate, the IIM Skills Master Certificate, is recognized globally, as well as once you complete the course in 6 months, everyone would be exposed to a project internship with global companies like PwC, Accenture, Quantium, and you will get internship project certifications from these companies as well. So these companies are globally recognized, so you will get those certificates as well. And post that, we also will help you in getting data analytics certification from Google and Microsoft, which is a very powerful advanced certificate. And it is globally accepted, and it would put you in the category of Microsoft Certified Data Analytics or Google Certified Data Analytics. So this is a 3-pronged certificate course, out of which 2 is for sure that you'll be getting. That is one from IIM Skills, and one is your project certification. Now, what is this course all about? We'll discuss that in detail. So when data analytics, when a data analytics project comes up, it is divided into different phases. And we, with this course, have ensured that for each phase, whatever required necessary tool is out there in the market or in regular practice in the industry, we will equip you with that, the knowledge of that tool. So a data analysis process, it starts with the first step is gathering the data and processing the data. So for that, mostly, that in daily basis, the data is always stored in Excel files or CSV files. And in order to handle those Excel files and CSV files, our course, it starts with a tool module of Advanced Excel and VBA. So Advanced Excel and VBA will help you learn and master the Excel tool, which will help you in gathering of data, storing the data, structuring the data. Then comes data processing and data understanding. How you have to ready that data for your model building, for your further analysis, and for that, a very common and a very most widely used query language, which is known as SQL, is used, and we will be teaching you SQL, and you'll gain proficiency in SQL so that you can manage relational databases and data warehousing. And once you've done that, you move on to modeling part. And for modeling, there are two most widespread tools or most common tools that are used for modeling are R and Python. These are coding modeling languages, and we'll be teaching you that. We'll be teaching you Python programming. We'll be teaching you R programming, how to use that for statistical computation, for data manipulation, for writing machine learning algorithms, and for data visualization as well. And post that, the final step in any data analytics process is that you need to report the findings. You need to present the findings in a beautiful way, in a way where the stakeholders who have no technical knowledge understand that easily. And that visualization depiction, that creation of dashboards and data stories, we will teach you that with the help of three different tools, not one or two, but three different tools: Power BI, Tableau, and Alteryx. And these are powerful business intelligence tools that are being widely used in market right now, in the industry right now. And so with FUC, with the amount of knowledge that we're imparting through this course and the different tools that we are trying to impart to you, the knowledge that we're trying to impart for different tools. If you look at it for modeling, we are teaching you two languages. For visualization, we are teaching you three different dashboard tools, BI tools, which are Python, Tableau, and Alteryx. This opens up you to a wide range of opportunities because there are some companies that work on Power BI, there are some companies that work on Tableau, there are some companies that work on Alteryx. So even if we would have taught you just one tool, it would have limited you to job opportunities in the companies that are using that particular tool. But by this course, you'll be learning three different tools, just opening you a wide era of opportunities out there, and this helps you apply to different companies with different tools in there because you have the basic understanding and the working understanding of how those tools work. Now, apart from the well-designed, the all-around curriculum of the data analytics, what are some USPs for this particular course that stand out? One is, as I discussed, the master certification, which is, you not just get the degree certification of this course, you'll get a project certificate for internship from well-known companies, which are global companies. Then we'll also help you get a Microsoft certified and a Google data certified data analyst certification, which I personally would say will bring you up to a level above average. And it will knock you up, and your resume has that certification on it. You will be favored while sitting for interviews. Second, our curriculum is 100% tools-driven training. It is not a theoretical or a video process. During the class, we will open up the tool, we will do live examples, we will do, the students will, along with the teacher, would do those on their respective computers. So it will be 100% tool-driven learning. It will not be something which will be teaching you in theory. Everything will be done practically on these tools, on these languages that we're discussing. Third, we believe in practical learning. So all of our tutors have immense amount of industry industrial expertise, industrial experience under their kitty, and we bring those real world industrial examples to the class. Our learning does not involve bookish or standard dataset examples, but we focus on discussing real world examples and practicing on those real world examples during the class, how to operate on different tools in different situations in real world data sets. So this kind of practical learning we try to impart because you can immediately, when you go to your job, you can immediately relate that to what you will face in your job. And the fourth and most important point is 24/7 support. We offer 24/7 round the clock support from our IM skills team, be it the tutors, be it the administrative department, be it the program coordination department. You can 24/7 text us, give us a call, email us, write to us in any form of communication, and we will respond to your queries or your troubleshooting. Be it anything, be it related to fees, be it related to uh, your tools troubleshooting, be it related to some class or your assignment or anything. So your query would be answered around the clock 24/7. Moving ahead, this is some stats that I would like to discuss with you, which I think is important and you as students should know about. And this is a collective stats of IM skills across different courses. Till date, we have a strong alumni of 45,000 plus students. More, we have trained and successfully tutored 45,000 students till now. And if we talk about placements across courses, our placement ratio is 81% per 100 students. So out of 100 students, 81 students are getting 100% placements. That is the stat we have across courses. And the highest salary, the highest CTC salary that has gone till now is 36 lakhs INR per annum. That is the highest CTC that we have seen across courses. And I'd just like to show you a snapshot of placements and our that have gone into different companies. As you can see, we have a wide range of companies: Reliance, Accenture, Times of India, HT Group. These are all global companies, well-known companies. And this also shows us that the strength of our alumni that we have, the variety of companies they are into. And this shows us the immense strength of the alumni that we have and what you can gain apart from learning when you're attached with IM skills. Dipanshu from here on will continue with other important factors about the course and the certifications and other benefits that we offer. And throughout that, if you have some questions, you can raise your hand. We'll address that. And once Dipanshu completes, then also we'll have a brief Q&A round if your question is missed. So don't worry about that. Dipanshu, you can take over.
Thanks, Jatin. Thanks for sharing the information in such a lovely way. So I hope each one of you have understood all the things that have Jatin shared with you. Can I have a quick confirmation from in the chat box? If everything so far clear to each one of you, you guys simply can write in the chat box yes or no. If any doubt or query is there, you simply also can write in the chat box. So my team is here who will be helping you. Jatin is here who will be helping you to resolve your doubt. So guys, I require each one of your participation right now. So can I have a quick reply from all of you that if you understood all the things perfectly? Okay, so I have the reply from Danish, Shivani, Ebin, Amrita, Kanan, Nelson, Jagruti, Ankita. Perfect. So all are right till now. So I believe Jatin shared most of the things about the program as well in such a nice way with the help of that particular presentation. But I just wanted to understand from all of you. Have you gone through our website completely? Have you understood about like what all things we are offering in our particular program, what all things you will be getting here? Because I'll be helping you to walk you through everything here. I'll be also helping you to walk through our learning management system, which is our LMS, where you simply can go ahead and can understand what all things and how you will be going through everything, how you will be getting the projects and assignment, and how on each steps you will be doing the practicals, right? So I have a question. Okay, Ankita, you have one question. You can simply ask that particular question. If you want to unmute yourself, you can unmute and can ask your question, or you simply can write in the chat box. My one of the team member also can reply there. Hello, Shaiwat. Gauri, is your placement available in Gurgaon? Gauri is asking this question. Yes, Gauri, we have our more than 500 plus hiring partners across the industry. Along with this, we have our own job portal. If I just wanted to show you guys here, you simply have a job portal available on our website itself. So you simply can check out there that there are various jobs available for the various particular programs. We offer about more than 8 to 9 programs right now. So each program has a placement coordinator, placement cell who will be helping those students who will be passing out from us. So similarly, in data analytics domain, we have the various jobs available which are posted here. And similar way, apart from this, we have a more than 500 plus placement or hiring partners who will be helping our student. We will connect you with those people. Let's say someone is from Mumbai, or someone is from Lucknow, someone is from like UAE, someone is from Australia. So we have our hiring partner available across the worldwide, and they will be helping you with the local job opportunities available in your cities or in your countries, right? Do you have placement in Kerala? I believe that answers to all the question related to placement. We will connect you with the placement person or hiring partner available in your location that will help you in this particular thing. I am from Nigeria. Is your placement covering me? Sure, Nelson. We do have placements globally available. And yes, we also teach you one of the specific skill that how you guys simply can update your LinkedIn profile and can approach to the companies which are looking for data analytics using LinkedIn profile, right? So you also getting that particular understanding how you can approach to the various jobs available across the world. What should be the configuration of the system? So Ankita, basically, I believe any standard system will work with the new configuration, which will be in today's time required. So let's say if you have a i5 and if you have like 512 GB SSD and like some 8 GB of RAM, that will work fine. So any standard laptop in today's time will solve your purpose. I hope I am right, Jatin, because Jatin is working in this particular industry from a
Yes,
long.
yes,
So,
yes.
okay, perfect. Will you align our interview or will you help us in the interview for which we have applied? Yeah, absolutely, Shivendra. Both the things will be help us by us. We help you with interview process as well. We cater you to the job opportunities. Once you apply in those job opportunities, we also help you to prepare yourself for interviews by helping you with interview questions, what generally people ask in the interviews. There will be a session conducted for you guys that how to build your resume and how to prepare yourself for interviews. Yeah, Nelson, you simply can ask your question. Okay, so meanwhile, Nelson is asking the question. I'm just help walk you through, guys, with all these particular things which I was talking about. So simply, if you have seen this particular program, we have our data analytics program, which is covering most of the skills which right now industry demands, right? Because I believe most of you people are agree with me on this particular part. You only get job in the industry once you are tool yourself with all the skills which industry demands. So let's say if in industry is demanding Power BI in today's time, or if industry is demanding for R and Alteryx in today's time. So if you're not preparing yourself with these tools, then you will lag behind than the other people, right? So in most of the training program in industry right now, they're not offering all such learning. They have like very small combination, like 1 or 2 tools or maximum 2 to 3 tools. But we are covering most of the tools that industry are looking forward or industry people are looking forward. So when you learn all these things, then you will be job ready for most of the job opportunities available in the industry, right? After going through with all these things, when you come down, then you can see that the training program that we will be covering is helping you with all these features where you will be getting a certification from IM Skills, and all the tools that you will be learning, this will be completely practical training. You will be working on all those tools, right? The one we shared just now, these one, Python, Tableau, Excel, R, Alteryx, and Power BI. Apart from all these things, the topic, if you want to know that what all topics we will be covering under each particular learning. So when you will be learning the data analytics with advanced Excel. So data handling, data visualization, manipulation, analytics and reportings, all these things will be a part of your particular module. Similarly, under each module, we will be covering all the required learning which make you effective in this particular industry, that how to go through the various libraries of Python and how to work upon the various aspects related to data analytics using a particular skills, right? Whether it is a visualization or it is a modeling or it is a data conceptualization, right? Apart from this, if I talk about internship opportunities, so all these companies, I believe these are the companies which most of you people already aware. These are the biggest MNCs in the industry. Accenture, TCS, PwC, Quantium, all these internship opportunity will be provided to you that can make your CV or resume heavier, right? So when you go into the industry, you will are tooled with two very important things which are required in the industry. One of the thing is that you have an experience of working on these tools, right? And second, you have all the big name in your resume so that anyone is looking at your resume will be impressive. People can see, yes, okay, Accenture, TCS, PwC, all these companies name are here, right? So that make you something which will be heavier in the industry than the other people who are just learning the courses or just learning the skills, right? So similarly, as I shared with you all these tools already, then if I talk about the structure of training, that how you will be learning. So let's say when you're learning your Excel module and VBA module, so during your learning for each particular module, you have a projects available. So let's say in today's class or in let's say on this weekend class, trainer given you the learning over certain aspects of Excel module. After giving those particular learning, trainer will also help you to work on these projects. So every module has a projects there so that it can make you more effective by applying your learning immediate time. It is not like that completed the whole course and then you will be practicing, because by the time you complete the whole course, by the time the 6 months will complete, now you will be at a position that where you have to just simply again remember those things which you have learned in the first time or in the first month of yours. So we don't do this. What we do, with each learning, you will be covering the projects as well. You will be applying your learning. And once you're ready, hands-on experience with all these things, then you will be moving to the next particular module. So once you completed all the Excel related projects, you will be moving to VBA. Once you completed VBA related projects, you will be moving to SQL, then Power BI, Python, R. Then each particular module is going to help you with the various particular projects. Then you, at the end of the trainings, you can see there are 16 projects. I don't see any particular learning will be offering you this much of projects and give you that kind of practical exposure. So if you simply just work on all these projects, you will be a job ready person in the industry and you will be that much comfortable with the data analytics that you easily can work upon any particular task given to you. Whether it is like any organization giving you tasks related to data cleaning or giving you the task related to like finding something or visualize data in a very beautiful way using the Power BI and all, then definitely you will be able to work upon all those areas. So as I said, 500 plus hiring partner we have. So all the company, you just name the company, any company working on the global level, you able to see this, right? So how many of you agree with me that if you will be going through with this kind of comprehensive structure where you learning the things first, then you will be working upon the live project immediately after your learning, and then you will be going through with some big brands as an internship, making your like heavier, making your resume and profile heavier. And then at the end, we will be helping you with the job opportunity. So how many of you think you will be able to set your career in data analytics like without any flaw? Can I have a quick agreement or disagreement? If you guys agree, just simply say agree. And if not, anyone also can say disagree. I'm ready to take that as well. So can I have a quick confirmation from all of you? Yes or no, agree or disagree in the chat box. All the people who are asking about the payment option or the batch option, I'll be going or helping you to go through that as well. So don't worry about it. At the end of this particular session, I'll be giving you an exciting surprise, which definitely you guys will like, and that will also help you to go ahead and make yourself enroll. So can I have a quick confirmation from all of you? Are you agree with me on this particular part? If you're going through with this step-by-step structure, where learning, then you're practicing, then working on the projects, then doing the industry relevant learnings. Excuse me, sir, could you please answer my query? Okay, Shivani, I have to scroll it up. So to see this. Okay, sir, one more thing. I literally don't know about it much, but yes, want to invest my time in learning this skill. So would you help us to understand from the zero? Absolutely. That's why the course built. Course are never built for the people who are already aware, right? So we have built this course from very scratch. So anyone who is not particularly aware about this industry, anyone who is not so much of friendly of the codings and languages, still those people can do this particular program where we will be helping you to learn about everything from scratch, whether it is Excel or VBA or it is Python. Even in Python, you need to work with some codes. So those codes is also we will be helping you how to work upon those syntax, how to learn those syntax. So you will be getting that particular understanding during this particular program. I hope Shivani that's answer your question. Perfect. All doubts are clear. Jagruti is saying perfect. So now guys, what I am talking about that how your course like step by step is looking like that registration, then your batch, attendance, examination, get yourself certified, then your internship will be there. Then after this, we will be helping you with the placement opportunity, and then you are a happy graduate with us, right? And now, if I'll talk about the batches, guys, so simply we have two batches available. One is weekend. In weekend, you have a classes over Saturday and Sunday, which is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Indian timing. So all the people from outside India, all the people from different countries, you just simply have to like convert it as per your timing, or you can connect with the coordinator. They will be helping you to convert your time, right? So the weekend batch that we have, it is starting from 25th of May, and the classes will be on every Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 1 Indian timing. And all the people who are from looking for the weekday batch, let's say you are not available on Saturdays, you are working. So we have launched a specific batch for all those people who are working professional, who cannot devote their Saturdays. So they can do this over the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days a week. And it will be 8 to 10 p.m., which is in evening. The same timing you are attending demo session today, the same timing we are talking about here, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. as per the Indian timing, right? The fee for the program we have is 49,000. Right, absolutely. No, not too much coding is there, Amrita. So Amrita is asking that is there too much of coding? No, Amrita, not too much of coding, right? It is analytical field. It is not something development field where you are developing something. You just need to learn which is required to do that particular analytics, right? What about quick query solving? Absolutely, Ankita. The course we have, the structure we have, it will help you to even ask your doubt in the live session. Even in the live session, if you're not able to ask, then we have a placement coordinators, we have a mentors, we have your training coordinators who will be helping you to get your query assisted, right? So your all queries will be assisted if you have particular doubt after your learning. Yes, but your teaching class perfectly explain, and because data analytics course is not easy, because tools uh, and all about understand. Yeah, absolutely. That's why we have this much of comprehensive course. We are not teaching everything in 1 hour, or we are not teaching you everything in 15 days. We are teaching you everything in 6 months. 6 months is a long time to learn the various things. So everything will be covered from scratch to in depth. So it takes 1 month from each particular tool, right? So guys, you're spending hours on particular learning. You're not just giving 1 hour or 2 hour for a learning and you will be a data analyst. You will be spending few weeks on each particular learning to make yourself comfortable with this. I live in Ivory Coast. How I am going to pay the fee? The best way for me is paying per month. Is it possible? No, absolutely, this is not possible as this course is for 6 months. But what we can do, we can help you. Like you can say, you can pay through various option. You have one of the like coordinator already connected with you. So I just suggest you to connect with that person, and that person help you the best way to pay your fees, right? But yes, the monthly option is not available for the people outside India. In India, people can you take the advantage of paying the fee monthly. How? We have the Bajaj option available with through where you can get the loan, and also you can pay through your credit card EMIs, where you can take up to 3 EMIs, no cost EMIs, right? So whatever the interest charge will be there on 3 EMIs will be beared by IIM Skills. You do not have to pay for this. Okay, so guys, simply now I'm moving for the certification that after completion of this course, you will be able to mention all these certification in your resume or in your profile that you will be a Google certified data analyst, you will be Microsoft certified data analyst, and you will be a IIM Skills certified data analyst. Along with this, all the internships is give you the different certifications, right? For Power BI, you will be getting the virtual case experience for Power BI, then data analytics and visualization internship with Accenture, Quantium give you the certification for data analytics virtual experience program. And then for data visualization, you will be also getting a certification from Tata, right? So all these things are there. Now, let me just quickly help you to walk you through the LMS, that how your learning management system will look like, right? So to log in your LMS, we have a very simple step that you just have to go to one of the link that we will provide you to log in into your account, right? Here you just, I'm logging in with my username and password. So once you guys enroll, you will also get your username and password through which you simply can log in into your account for lifelong. Lifelong mean, guys, so let's say Alteryx is one of the learning which we recently added into the industry, right? Before like 2 years, if you talk about, nobody was covering, or Alteryx was not there in the industry. But now slowly, gradually, industry is accepting the Alteryx and various big companies or MNCs are using the Alteryx, right? So Alteryx is something we recently added. But what is the advantage for you guys? For an example, let's say when we have people who enrolled in us in 2015, right? The student who enrolled with us in 2015, at that time, we don't have Alteryx. But the people who enrolled at that time, they still can log in their LMS account and they can check out all the latest sessions we have taken on Alteryx, and they can update their learning of Alteryx. So isn't it great, guys? What do you think? If you get a lifetime access where all the latest tools is coming into this industry, we will be updating in our LMS. And you guys also can go ahead and can attend all the live or latest classes which new people are attending. So the person attended the course in 2015. That person in 2024 can also access the latest class videos. So same for all of you, right? Yes, there will be a portal for all of you. Would an exam be conducted after completion of the course? Yes, there are, like, you can say, there will be Q&As, there will be questions, and there will be certification exam you have to do to get your certification. No, Pranav, it is only applicable on the credit card EMIs. Is internship is online? Yes, some of the are online, but yes, we also help our student to get internship in the local companies. So let's say if you are from Mumbai or if you are from Bangalore, and if you are looking to do internship in the companies in your area, so then definitely we help our student to go ahead and work in those companies as well. As being a training institute, we also get the, like, most of the company approach us and they ask us that, do you have interns available? We need 5 interns in our company for data analytics profile. So what we do, we simply connect our student who are willing to do the internship in those companies in full time or in part time. They can connect with them and we help our student with those opportunities. LMS is lifetime validity? Absolutely. So I was asking a question, guys, that isn't it great that if you get a lifetime access in 2024, you learn everything what is there in the industry today, but you also capable to update yourself what will be there in the industry after certain years. So let's say after 2 years, industry has something new. So you never be outdated. You only have to log in and can understand the latest sessions, right? So can I have a quick reply from all of you? If you feel that it is great, simply say yes, or if no, then you can simply write no. Thanks, Shivani. Ankita, Excel, thanks. Danish, perfect. Ashmita, Pooja, Dielango, okay. Kanan, perfect. So I believe you all are aligned with this particular thing, that yes, if you're getting a lifetime access, that will make you more effective in the industry, right? Along with this, now I'm walk you through with the LMS. Once you log into the LMS, guys, in my courses section, you will have your course available. Let's say this data analytics master course. I have various courses here because I am already an employee here. So I have various courses already available in my LMS, but in your courses, you will have this type of LMS available. So here you simply can see your getting started session. Then you have a, let's say, data analytics using Excel and VBA. So you have some pre-reading material here. Then you have a recording of the session. So if I click on the recording of the session, guys, you can see the previous recording of 2023 and also latest recording of 2024. All recordings you simply can look forward. So people attended the classes last year, they still can update themselves. Large demand data analytics course in 2026. Yeah, absolutely. Because as the industries are going very smart, How many of you think that businesses are getting smarter day by day? How many of you think like this? Simply say yes or no, or say me in the chat box, right? Every business wants to grow, and how they will grow. If every business wants to grow, how they will, one of the thing they do, let's say they run their business, they do marketing, they do everything. But only the business making themselves sharp in the industry. The businesses who are very big level at the industry or who are MNCs in the industry, what they more focus on, they more focus on using their existing data, using the data of their customer base to make their organization more bigger, to take the right decision for their consumers, to take the right decision as per their like targeted audience. So everything is relevant to the data, and in coming years the data is going to be the more popular even in the small companies. Right now the mid segment companies, the big companies and MNCs are already doing it, and even in future you will say that startup is going to be the more like precise about data, right? Because the data is something which can make the companies grow faster, right? If you take the right decision with
বাবা
it can
রেডি হয়ে যাও
yeah. Anyone is asking question, I guess? Okay, unfortunately you got mute like unmuted. So now guys, this is the LMS structure that you have. So let's say if you see the module like data analytics in your LMS, this type of account each one of you will have after enrolling in the program. So here you have a pre-reading material, then you have a session recording, then you have a class worksheet. So class worksheets means all of you guys, the trainer is working on some sheets in the class. He is showing you like working on some files. So those files is also be there and uploaded here, so that for later, for reference purpose, you also can use it later when you are watching the recording or when you are revising your learning. Similar way, class worksheets are there. Then you will have a weekly assignment for Excel, weekly assignment for VBA. So when you click on weekly assignment for Excel, then you have all type of assignments available here. Similarly, weekly assignment for VBA, you have the VBA assignments available here, right? Then you will be moving to, let's say, next module, and you have all the relevant study material of each particular modules available in this, right? Okay, so guys, I am now helping you. Just wanted to understand from each one of you and get a quick confirmation. Have you gone through and understand about the LMS, that how LMS works? Can I have a quick yes or no from all of you? How your learning management system will look like and what kind of things it will cater you? Yeah, right now a bit of the things I have shared with you, but yes, once you enroll in the program, you get your complete account of yours where you can like look out each particular things and can explore everything of your LMS account. Okay, so Shivani said yes, Ankita said yes, Lango said yes. Can I have a confirmation from all of you if you're like find out it usable thing? Okay, Nelson, Danish, Kanan, perfect. Okay, Excel, you seems excited, right? Amrita, perfect. Okay, so right. So now simply I'm coming on the part, what will be the fee for the program and what will be the other things here. So right now the fee for the program is 49,000 plus GST, which is total comes to INR 58,882 rupees, right? So I'll be writing it here. So the total fees is, I'm writing in the chat box to make you like including the tax part. So including your tax part, it will be this much, INR 5,882, right? For people outside India, they have the fees, which is USD 824, right? Shivani, you have to wait a bit. I'll be helping you with something which is extraordinary and help you to enroll right away with the program, right? So course fee is this. So all the lovely people who are there in this particular session and spend there approximately 1 hour. So I just want to give a surprise to all of you, and that surprise is something. I'm giving you a link for paying your fees. If you guys enroll by today itself, you can get a 10% discount on the total fees, and the price comes to 52,994, right? So this link is valid for everyone. You guys simply can go on this link and complete your enrollment right away to book your seat. But before doing this, I just want to get a quick confirmation from all of you which particular batch you are more interested in. So there are two batches you have seen. One is weekend, another one is weekday. So weekend batch, the people who want to enroll for weekend batch, they simply write weekend. And the people who are interested for weekday batch simply write weekdays. So can I have a quick confirmation from all of you guys? Ankita is saying for weekdays. Shivani is saying for weekdays. Excel is saying for weekdays. Okay. For weekend. Ashmita is for weekend. Nelson is for weekdays. Danish is for weekdays. Kanan is for weekdays. Perfect. Amruta is also for weekdays. Perfect. Manvi is for weekdays. Anjali is for weekdays. Nejim is for weekday. Pranav is for weekdays. So guys, we don't have this much seats available in weekdays. Though we newly launched this particular batch, but I must say that all the people, we only have 5 to 6 seats left in this particular batch. So all the people who want to enroll in this particular batch, I am again giving the link. Seats will be delivered or provided based on first come, first serve, right? So the people who complete their registration first, they're able to get the seat in the batch. So I just request each one of you, all the people who are confirmed that they want to join this 28th May batch, weekday batch, they can simply enroll in this particular link. Start date of weekday is 28. It is mentioned here, right? Which is like from next week onwards. And yes, for 25th, it is from this week itself. In June, right now, we don't have the date for June available, right? So you will get the like seat or for 28th May batch. And if you want the June batch, you just have to connect with someone in the team. They will be able to help you with the coming dates after this batch got full. So weekend is for what Indian time? So weekend will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. right? Or in the morning. Weekend is Saturday and Sunday, morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And weekdays is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 to 10 p.m. The same timing that you are attending this session today, right? So whatever the time suits you, you simply can go ahead, guys, and can like enroll yourself in that particular batch. Precisely, Amrita, you can start with this particular batch because there's only 2 days left in starting the June. So 28 will be your orientation class, but your classes of learning from Excel or VBA module start from the first week of June. 28 will be your orientation session, right? Which will be an introduction session. Yeah, absolutely, Shivani. You have to pay the fee for the registration. That's how you will be able to make yourself enroll. Can I finish early? Right now, yes, I can give you one option. You can connect with one of the counselor that can help you to finish your course earlier. To finish your course earlier, you guys have two options. One, you can attend the classes in both weekend and weekdays, right? So in weekend, you attend some of the modules, let's say Python or let's say other modules or Power BI you are attending in weekdays. And other modules, the remaining module you attend in weekends. So by attending the two different batches, you can complete your course at least in the like less duration, not precisely 3 months, but more than 3 months it will take usually, but less than 6 months, right? And also you have an option to go ahead and watch out the recordings to complete it earlier. I'm living in Mumbai. Okay, can I attend my internship physical in companies? Yeah, absolutely, Ankita. We can connect you with the companies in Mumbai hiring for interns, right? There you can go and can do your internship. But companies have the different norms. They cannot provide you, let's say, sometimes people expect that internship, they will give them the half day, like, or they give the part-time types of timing. That doesn't happen. That's completely on the company's responsibility or the company's or organization rules. So whatever organization will decide, if organization say you have to come 9 to 5 for the internship, you have to go at that particular time. Will they pay when join the internship? Yes, companies pay for the internship, right? But they some minimum stipends kind of thing, which only can bear your expenses of traveling or something, right? So you cannot expect the huge amount during internship. During internship, they just give you some nominal amount, right? And that depends on the like companies to company. Some pay 10K, 15K, 20K based on like what type of, you can say, amount they have decided for paying during this stipend or internship. Got it, guys? So I hope you really enjoy this particular session. Can I have a quick confirmation from all of you if all the queries are answered of you guys? I can see there are certain questions that I have not answered yet. One of them is weekdays, what time in Indian time? I have already shared with you, Nelson. Next batch is at June. My colleague will connect with you and share with you that. Can I finish early? I shared. I'm leaving in Mumbai. Okay, 10 a.m. Indian time is 4:30 a.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, absolutely, Nelson. If that suits you, you can work with this. We have already various Nigerian students who are doing this, and you will be surprised to know that we have also trained the complete, like you can say, the nearby country or neighbor country of yours, the Tanzania, right? So we have trained the complete ministry of Tanzania in our another course, which is finance courses. So they have came here in India and they learn about creating the financial model for the country. And yes, we have trained them in our one of the program. Can you help me internship in UK? Yeah, Najim, we can help you with that. Will they pay when we join in internship? I shared with you, is stipend available in online mode also? I am like afraid, like usually it is not. Usually that is a part-time based internship which offer you very less time to devote, hardly 2 hours or 3 hours per day. So they don't pay much, right? I have a problem with time, Nelson. Nelson, you can go with weekdays batch. And yes, if you want, you can just try attending at 4:30. It's a matter of 6 months, right? Because I believe earning a skill is a huge task. People have decided that I'll learn these things years back. But till the time they're not able to learn why, because only because of that commitment is required in learning something. So if you're able to give the commitment to yourself that yes, I need to become a data analyst in next 6 months, then you have to bear that particular like situation. What if we get selected for a job, so what will be the stipend that they offer for the beginners? So if you are aware, guys, the starting salary in data analytics industry in India, it's about 6 lakhs rupees, right? INR 6 lakhs. And it goes up to 36 lakhs, as Jatin shared with you, that highest package that we have like placed one of our student at this particular package, right? So 6 lakhs is something which usually people get in the industry as a fresher in data analyst. But yes, you have to build that kind of skills. You have to become practical with the various tools. So you have to learn and you have to apply your learning, what we are teaching. You have to complete your assignments. You have to work practically with the tools. So we can have bigger slots. No, it will be the same. Like you have a 6 hours weekly learning, right? So whether you go in weekdays or you go in weekends. So in weekend, you have Saturday, Sunday, 3 hours. And if in weekdays, you have 2 hours of 3 classes. So total will be 6 hours per week as a live classes. Apart from that, you will have your practical assignments and all, which also take your 6 to 8 hours during the week. Correct, guys. So I have answered all the queries. Is there anyone who still have certain queries? I just encourage people, they can simply ask their queries. And yes, if the queries are done, can have a quick feedback on this particular session. Yeah, weekdays classes timing is 8 p.m. So if your 10 a.m. is going to be 4:30 in your Nigerian time, then 8 is something around like 2:30 afternoon. Right? The weekday timing is going to be 2:30 to 4:30 in your Nigerian time. Okay, perfect. Thanks, Shivani. Thanks, Excel. Prajwal, thanks. I'm a bit confused about this course. I mean, is it similar to data science course? I just request Jatin to help you out in this particular thing, right? Because data analytics and data science, they have like certain things in common, but yes, there are certain things are uncommon as well. So Jatin, can you please elaborate, Amrit, about this?
So data science is basically as a data scientist, you'll be expected to code and create programs and tools. And it's a hardcore technical coding based field. Whereas data analytics mostly focuses on using these tools to analyze the data and give recommendations, build strategies. It's more of I would say, analytical thinking focused course rather than a technically oriented course. Versus data science is a technically oriented field where you'll be expected to write extensive codes and build algorithms. And that's the major difference between this. But still what we do is with this course we are making you learn about the course, because even if you want to talk about certain data or you want to build some recommendations or build an analysis, you should be well versed with the tools that you're using to analyze the data, so that does not create a problem during, I would say, the modeling part or the analytical part, because strategizing is not just one part, but understanding the data, how the data changes, that is also an important part, and these tools will help you get into that. So that is why an understanding of these tools is required. And I've seen a lot of questions which are coming around, that you have a different background, and so data analytics is one field which is irrespective of the background you're coming from, because this is not a specific set of skills. Data analytics means that there is a data and you can analyze it, and then you can give some insights and recommendations based on that data. So it can be any data. It can be financial data, it can be sales data, it can be marketing data, it can be e-commerce data, it can be website data, it can be banking data. So as a data analytics, you don't have any specific requirement of being from a particular field or from a particular industry. Second, you don't have that limitation after you do this course of going to a specific industry. Obviously, your past experience would add on to that advantage. For example, if you have an working experience in, say, banking industry, so as an analyst, you will have an edge in banking and finance industry, but that does not, that does not restrict you from applying to other industrial domains as well. So that is uh, I would say the advantage with being a data analytics is that you are immune to the industrial domains.
Perfect. So I believe, Amrita, that answers your query. Can I have a quick confirmation? Perfect. So it's basically data analytics will help you to work with data, and data science is more comprehensive, which will be more technical, where you will be working for data. Like you will be into the development of tools related to data, development of the queries related to data. Okay, so I have a few other questions here that I'm really interested, but the issue is the way of fee payment. So Excel, I just suggest you to connect with one of my counselor, and that will be person going to help you in this particular queries. I just want to know if you can help me in getting a job in UAE after completion the course of data analytics. So guys, there are so much of question from you guys that will you get the job in this location or that location. I already answered that we have more than 500 plus hiring partners, including UAE, Australia, Singapore. There are various countries that we have our hiring partners. So yes, we will be helping you with the job opportunities. But here you need to understand one thing very clearly, guys. Don't think about this much that someone will place you, right? Why I am saying this question, or why I'm asked or telling you this thing, you can go ahead and can purchase a premium plan of naukri.com to place you, right? But they don't able to place you. They just give you the more of number of opportunity. They show your profile higher. The getting the opportunity is in their hand, but cracking the opportunity, getting the job in your hand, guys. So if you are just going with the mindset that will I get the job, then I'll do the course, it is a wrong approach. You never get a job with this approach. If you want to get a job in any industry, the approach should be I will learn this skill, I will master this skill, I become unbeatable in this industry. I learn the skill at that extent that I'll be very much handy with the skill, very much practical with the skill. Then trust me, guys, no one will be jobless out of you guys. Why? Because you have that kind of command over the skills. And whenever you are sitting in an interview or whenever interviewer is interviewing your skills, they understand, yes, you are the right person for them. You are the right, you are having the right skill set for this company or for this objective, right? So can I have a quick confirmation from all of you if you understood this fact? Getting a job is not something you can expect from others. Today I can say, okay, you will get a job from me, you will get a job in UA, you will get a job in Australia, right? But that doesn't make you job ready. What makes you job ready is the learning you will experience, the practical approach you will work upon throughout the training, the time devotion you will give to this particular skill, the number of uh, practical, you can say, hours you will be giving to this. So it is even not like that we have taught you something, you did the assignment and it's over. No, you need an attitude of a hustler that every time what we are teaching you, you have to practice and then you have to work more on that to make yourself comprehensive. That's how you become unbeatable, right? Because think like a business owner. Let's say you guys are sitting an interview, and in your interview, someone asks you few questions and you give them answers correctly. But there is a other person who give the answers correctly, and as well as that person able to show them, okay, I have one great idea for you also. If you analyze data in this way, you can produce the better result. If someone give them a practical approach and the another angle of looking at the data, and that kind of angle, that kind of like experience you will only get once you do thorough practices, once you do, like you can say, numerous times practices, right? So that is the only key to get a job in the industry. There is a no shortcut to get a job. Don't feel like you join an institute, pay the fee and you will get a job, right? Expect, you pay the fees, you learn everything, you ask your doubts, you ask your question, and make yourself perfect in that particular skills. If you not got something, let's say you attended my 6 months of course. After learning 6 months of course, if let's say one of the skills you are lacking behind, let's say you have not learned Python very well, you have not learned R very well. So what I am doing, I am responsible for you to teach Python again. I am responsible to teach you R again, right? To make you ready for the job, to make you ready in that particular skills. And we do that. People have done this in past. If they didn't understand something, they again can attend the module, they again can learn the complete course as well. So we have that kind of attitude with our student or support system with our student, that we want each one of you to be like perfect in the skills that you are learning from us. Until the time you don't get perfect, you can definitely revise your learning as well with us. So that's why we are giving you the lifetime access also, guys. So there is a no point of view to give a lifetime access and every recording if we don't want you to be a perfect in this industry, right? But jobs only become for like available for you once you're ready for those jobs, right? It's a two-way process. It's not a one-way process. Jobs come to you and you got it. It's jobs come to you and you like your approach is right toward that job, your like skill set is right for the job and you got the job, right? Understood, everyone? Perfect. So at last, what I'm doing, guys, I'm again giving you the link to make yourself enroll in the program. This link, just copy this and paste it to in your browser and bookmark this. Why I'm saying this? Because this link will not be available on the website and you won't be able to get this particular discount after this session over, right? You only able to get the discounted fee on this link if you pay the fee using this link, right? So just copy this link and keep it yourself and make sure you enroll it by tonight, because by the day end, this link is gonna expire. You do not be able to use it tomorrow, right? So make sure if you're paying your fees, you will be able to do this. So how much should we pay now? You have to pay the fees because batch is starting 2 days later, right? Admission process is already going to be over. So you have to pay the complete fee to make yourself enroll, right? And rest, you also can connect with my counselor right away after this session. They will be able to help you out, whatever the queries you have related to fee payment. Yeah, Amrita. Danish, is there any offer which is valid till the end of this week? No, absolutely not, Danish, because you guys given your precious 1 hour time in this session. So that's why it's a token of appreciation for all of you. Because in today's time, the most expensive thing is time. So if you're giving your time to someone, so that's absolutely something which should be appreciated. So to appreciate your time of 1 hour, we are giving you this 10% of discount. Otherwise, there is a no discount. If you go on the website and if you pay from the website, all the people during this session, if you guys are attending 1 hour, there are certain 2 to 3 students already paid the fees on the website, but they have 58,000. They paid the 58,000 rupees. They have not paid 52 because they are not aware about this discounted fees. You guys are aware about this discounted fees because you are in this session, right? So this link is only for you guys. You simply can go ahead and can make your enrollment at discounted fees, and that is valid only for today. Okay, so guys, all payment related things, I just request you to connect with my rest of the training team. I believe Rohit, Vikas, Bhaskar, and other team members are already connected with you. So you simply can ask them over the WhatsApp, can connect with them over the WhatsApp right away, and can like ask your queries related to the fee payment. They will surely help you to complete your fee payment process. Okay, so I hope all of you enjoy your session. I'm just overing it to Jatin. Jatin, if you have anything to share, you simply can share, or we can just end this particular session with the feedback of you guys.
No, Dipanshu, I think that was a good session. If again anyone has any questions, we are always welcome for that. And I hope to see as many students as in the class.
Perfect. So guys, now I request everyone to leave your feedback and then you can leave this particular session. And all the people who are interested in weekdays or weekend batch, they can simply enroll themselves by the link I have shared at a discounted fees. Okay, so thanks everyone. Thanks for your time. You've been a really great audience, interacted so much, right? And thanks for everyone for interacting and sharing your time with us. Thanks.
Thank you, everyone.
We are also thanks, Jatin, as well for like helping us in this particular session. Perfect. Thanks, everyone. Good night to everyone. So we are just ending this particular session. It's really nice to connect with all of you. And now looking forward to see our student in our training program. Okay, good luck, guys. Have a great day ahead and great learning opportunity with us. Goodbye.